Why bad time? What happened? Oh. That's the Ella vlog. I pin her channel also. How are you, everyone? I don't have WhatsApp. She have. Me, no. What happened, Daddy? Why you catch on bad time? What happened to you? I'm fine now over Tuesday. Fine also. So hot. Yeah, ang laki no. Perfect.
May pinainin.
Ha?
May pinainin.
Oo, malamang. Anuin mo na. Tapat mo naman dito yung electric. Ba't dalawa na electric pa nila? Tayo parang may... Ano, nagiging basang sino na tayo? Do you like my guest? My guest is very, very beautiful, right? Very beautiful. Nagtato ko dyan sa phone, B. Sa bababa naman, may pa yung electric panel mo. Yan, may hangin na. And where are you from?
Yan.
Please follow my cousin, guys. Follow my cousin. Ella Vlog. What's up? What's up? Are you done taking shower, Daddy? Are you done taking shower? I become so ugly now. Oh, okay. We're from Philippines. Can you follow my cousin? Ella Vlog. I pin her,
Hindi naman ko follow sa akin.
hindi kasi nila mahanap yung ano. Yung ano yun. Please follow her, guys. Please. Ako nga, ano mo nga sa akin, i-message mo nga sa akin yung link. Ipo-post ko na lang.
Ano to yan?
Ay, alam ko na. Punta ka sa channel ko. I-copy mo muna yung... Hindi pa rin kayo tapos?
Ha?
Hindi pa rin kayo tapos mag-away?
Ewan ko dyan. Like na gano'n mo reply. Huwag din kay JD. Balik mo. Ay, ayun.
Wait. Kicking me out here. Oh!
Muna.
Tell us about yourself daw. Nasa mo kasi. Paano kasi sabihin?
Iya.
She's very shy. Wait, I'm gonna make her talk.
May tinayan din naman.
Timang naman to. Oh, tell about yourself. You ask questions so you get she's going to answer. Because she's very shy right now. Yeah, I'm making her talk. Talk na. You ask question and she's going to answer.
So, ano yan?
We're from Cavite. You can ask question. I want to ask about the tattoos. Okay. Let's do a tattoo reveal.